Data Import Wizard is a very intuitive and easy to use tool that is native to the Salesforce platform that will help you import records into Salesforce directly. To access the Data Import Wizard, you need to enter the Setup area of Salesforce by clicking on the gear icon in the top right-hand corner and selecting Setup. From the Setup area, go to the Quick Find search box and type in Import, and you'll see Data Import Wizard appear. Click on the Data Import Wizard. At the top of the screen, you'll see a history of any previous jobs you've done, and then down towards the bottom, you'll see Launch Wizard. So I'm going to click Launch Wizard. There's a lot of easy links there to resources to give you more detail on how your CSV file needs to be prepared in order to be used in Data Import Wizard, but I'm just going to Launch Wizard. Once that opens, you've got an option between certain standard objects that you can import to, and you can also select a custom object if that's what you're wanting. You'll see there's a limit of 50,000 records at a time, and you'll note that not all standard objects are included. So that is a limitation of the Data Import Wizard. In my case, I'm going to import a batch of leads that I've got in a CSV spreadsheet. So I'm going to select leads. Here you've got the option to add new records, update existing records, or do a combination, which is sometimes called an upsert. But in my case, I just want to add new ones. So I say add new. There's a few configuration options that are optional. You can match them by name, but given we're inserting new records, that's not important. You can assign them to a certain lead source. You can say use assignment rules and a few other options, but I don't need to use those in this case. I'm just going to select CSV file and select the file that contains my new lead records. Here's my file with lead records. Got a green tick confirming that the file has been accepted. And now click Next in the bottom menu. Now we need to map the fields from our CSV spreadsheet through to the Salesforce lead object fields. So given the field labels on my CSV sheet, it's automatically matched most of them. So it's already figured out that first name is first name, last name is last name. The only one that wasn't automatically allocated was company name. So in my CSV spreadsheet, the heading is company name, but that's not the exact match to the Salesforce field label. So that's the only one we need to map. We do that by clicking on Map. And then we just find company. So that was the issue. This is just company instead of company name. And I'll select Map. And if you want to change any of these, you can. So if it automatically maps fields that are incorrect, or you want to change what data is going to what field, you can change that. And that's all looking good. So now I'm going to click Next. So it's confirming, got leads, adding new records. That's our file, mapping these fields to the lead. And I'm going to go Start Import. So it's saying import has started. Click OK to view status. It will take us to a new page where we see the results of the process. So it says 14 records processed. None of them failed, so it's completed. So that is a quick overview of how to import new records into Salesforce using the Data Import Wizard. I hope that helps.